If you're looking into making a custom sticker, ProZoneArt vinyl sheets are the first items you will need. Head to your Amazon account. Search for ProZoneArt. Choose your quantity and just add them into your cart. Remember, Prime shipping is always an option. Amazon will ship directly to your front door. We know you will be eager to receive our premium product. We are proud to offer a wide selection of colors in each package. Once you have received your ProZoneArt premium vinyl sheets, the creativity begins. You are only a few short steps away from having a custom vinyl sticker to be showcased on any clean, smooth, dry surface of your choice. We have seen a tremendous amount of happy customers with various projects. If you have a creative use of your own sticker, we would love for you to upload a picture on ProZoneArt social media. We can be found on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, Pinterest, YouTube, and even our own website, www.prozoneart.com. We can't wait to see what you will come up with.